Hey friends, how are you? Today we will be making a rainbow with some clouds. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is make two lines, kind of far apart on your paper. Now these are going to be the bottom of the clouds. On the top of these lines, we're going to make a series of upside down U's coming all the way across and touching at the bottom, just like that. Same on the other side. Make them nice and fluffy. Now we are going to put a rainbow right here at the top. So when we make our rainbow, we want to make sure that there's enough room for each of the curved lines. So we just start making curved lines and we just keep going and going and going until we represent all of our colors. So we have red that goes inside of this one, then orange. Here's our yellow. Then we have green and blue and purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. All right, underneath, I think it would be fun if we put some raindrops. It's up to you if you'd like to do this part. A few raindrops coming down. There we go. I hope you like it. There's your rainbow. Thanks for watching. Bye.